Leica just announced the D-Lux 8, bringing back their popular compact camera line. It's been a while since their last release, but this new model promises premium image quality in a super portable package. We're talking about a bigger sensor than your phone, a bright lens, and intuitive controls inspired by Leica's Q series. Let's dive in and see what else is new with the D-Lux 8. The Leica D-Lux 8 is a compact camera that packs a punch. Right off the bat, you'll notice its unique Leica design, which is of premium quality. It comes with a fresh new look, departing from its predecessor, the D-Lux 7. It's like holding a mini Leica Q3 in your hands, with a sleek black finish and a touch of leather accents on the front. The body is not only stylish, but also ergonomic, making it a joy to hold and operate. Speaking of operation, the D-Lux 8 brings the familiar Leica menu system to the compact camera realm. The user interface is inspired by Leica's flagship models, ensuring a seamless experience for existing Leica users and an easy learning curve for newcomers. Under the hood, the D-Lux 8 packs a powerful 4x3-inch CMOS sensor with an effective resolution of 17 megapixels. While it may not compete with the pixel counts of Leica's full-frame offerings, the sensor delivers impressive image quality that will satisfy even the most discerning photographers. The camera also supports DNG format, allowing you to capture raw files and unleash your creative potential in post-processing. But the real star of the show is the Leica DC Vario Summilux 10.9 to 34mm f by 1.7 to 2.8 ASPH lens. This optic is equivalent to a 24 to 75mm full-frame range, which is a versatile focal length for everything from landscapes to portraits. And with its bright maximum aperture, you can achieve beautiful bokeh and low-light performance that's truly remarkable for a compact camera. One of the standout features of the D-Lux 8 is its inclusion of an on-camera flash. This might seem like a minor addition, but it's a game-changer for those moments when you need a little extra illumination. Connectivity is also a strong suit for the D-Lux 8. It seamlessly pairs with the Leica Photos app, allowing you to transfer images to your smartphone or tablet for easy sharing or editing on the go. Now, compared to its predecessor, the D-Lux 7, the D-Lux 8 brings several notable improvements. The rear screen now boasts a higher resolution of 1.84 million dots, ensuring a crisp and detailed view for image review and menu navigation. Additionally, the inclusion of a USB-C port makes in-camera charging a breeze, eliminating the need for a proprietary charger. While the core specifications like the sensor and lens remain unchanged, Leica has made some subtle but significant upgrades to the viewfinder. The D-Lux 8 features an OLED viewfinder with 2.36 million dots, which Leica claims avoids the field sequential tearing effect for smoother operation. This enhancement, combined with the familiar menu system, makes the shooting experience with the D-Lux 8 even more enjoyable. In terms of image quality, it comes with a micro Four Thirds sensor, and Leica optics work in tandem to produce sharp, detailed images with excellent color rendition. While it may not match the resolving power of larger sensors, the D-Lux 8 still offers more than enough quality for most photographers' needs, whether you're shooting for social media, printing, or simply capturing memories. One aspect worth mentioning is the camera's weight. At 397 grams, it's only 6 grams lighter than the D-Lux 7, but that's not a deal breaker by any means. The compact size and lightweight design make the D-Lux 8 a perfect everyday companion that you can take anywhere without feeling weighed down. While the D-Lux 8 isn't weather-sealed, it's not a major concern unless you plan to shoot in extreme conditions. For most casual and travel photography scenarios, the lack of weather sealing shouldn't be a deal breaker. Battery life is another area where the D-Lux 8 performs well. While it may not set any records, it should provide sufficient runtime for a day's worth of shooting. However, one feature that could have been included is automatic EVF detection to help conserve battery life further. Overall, the Leica D-Lux X8, slated for release on July 2, 2024, promises to be an exciting addition to the compact camera market. With its iconic design, intuitive handling, and impressive image quality, it could be a compelling option for photographers seeking a capable travel companion without compromising on performance. However, its true potential can only be fully evaluated once it becomes available for hands-on testing. So that's all about the Leica D-Lux 8. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.